Eric's enjoying a day skiing on the slopes. Hopefully he's having a good time. We can at least see a little bit of snow in our live
little bit.
There's a hint out there.
People got a tiny bit this morning.
I know. I did. I was surprised to see it coming down. I'm like, oh, well, all right.
Yeah, nothing that notable.
No, and then the sun
unfortunately.
came out and
No, I mean,
it.
we've been in this weird, very warm pattern that's also been nice and sunny. So I feel like
It's enjoyable, but it's just not the winter we need
No.
in Maine. Yeah.
I brought the weird, like, mid-Atlantic winter up here, apparently.
If you are going to take the blame, then it is all yours.
I get blamed either way, so I might as well just own it and
It's all
lean
Aaron.
into it. Now, it has been sunny, so I'll take credit for that for the day because it's nice in that regard, because I think most people like some sunshine, but we would like it to be a little bit cooler to give us some snow in the forecast as well. We had a bit earlier, like I said, that's really since now moved out of the way and just given way to a bunch of sunshine instead, so pretty nice one out there. Now with that, the winds are a bit breezy, nothing crazy or problematic, but just enough to be noticeable. When you step out, you're gonna want a jacket that kind of holds up to the wind, that you're not just gonna have the wind blowing right through, because it is just breezy enough to lower your feels like temperatures. Now for your day and currently right now, we're sitting in the low to mid 20s. A couple people in the mountains sitting in single digits, so definitely cool there, but that's generally always the trend out in the mountains, that it stays just a bit cooler. Now, as we go through the rest of your day, we're gonna see your high temperatures in the next couple of hours continuing to feel a lot lower. So we're getting right up to about the freezing point. This is where we should normally be for high temperatures, so that's relatively on track with a normal mid-January kind of day, but this is going to continue to feel like we are right now, in the low to mid 20s for your day. So it's cool, but nothing crazy. It's exactly where we should be. Now this cold air is going to kind of stay in the forecast for today and tomorrow, so we can expect to see the same general story there. But we're gonna have a low pressure system that's gonna be coming up from the Midwest and the Southeast. That's gonna slowly make its way to our area, and that's gonna bring us some snow and some rain. Now, unfortunately, this is nothing to get too excited about in the snow department, because it's first gonna be some snow and some mix as it moves through. The cooler air is going to combine with any precip that we have out there and just give us a bit of snow and some rain, like I said. But as this warmer, more mild air pushes in behind the warm front, that's going to instead change it all to some rain instead. So a lot of your Friday, you can actually expect rain for most of us across the area. That cold front pushes through in the secondary low right below this off the coast. That's going to still have the chance to give us some rain in the forecast, a little bit of mix possible, but we still have a lot of pieces that we need to kind of put together to make all that work out. Snow totals for this as we get to that point in time. If you're along the coast, you're getting pretty much nothing, so you can't really expect to see much. You might get more, and you will get more in the mountains, looking around 3 to 5 inches, and then everybody in between is just somewhere, but we're not really expecting too much for most outside of the mountains and northern Maine. Now, we are well below where we normally would be for this time of year. This year, we've not gotten very much at all. We should have seen a lot more by this point in time. Even last year, we had a lot more snow outside, so we really are sticking pretty warm, and that's hindering our snow totals. Now for the rest of the week, like I said, sunshine for today and tomorrow. Going to continue the forecast. Thursday and Friday, those clouds build in with that rain and with that mix for everybody across the state. We're all going to kind of see that forecast generally trending to be what you're going to see for the weekend. So we get into Saturday and Sunday. We still have a chance for some showers staying in the forecast, and then it's going to start to clear out as we get into your day on Sunday. So we'll start to get a bit nicer after the weekend, but unfortunately, it's going to be snow and then rain, which is not the best combo for any outside activities. So
And then the snow just goes away right away. We can't hold on to it this
no,
year.
we just need the cold and the moisture to interact for a little
Not on
while.
our side this weekend. All right,
No.
Aaron, thanks for joining
Sorry.
us.